difficult landing.
Especially if you don't know how to land.
Hey, the plane is settled. You can get up now.
Hey, thank you so much. My head almost hit the wall. I think you may have saved my life. I was thrown viciously, just like this. When I hit something soft instead of the wall. It was you. I don't know how I can repay you. I could have cracked my head open, but this is so soft and nice. Thank you so much. Let go! Please, I was only trying to show you something.
How to be a lecherous old man.
No, I was just trying to show you how these flotation devices saved my life.